How many times have you bought merchandise and paid for shipping only to find out you spent more time and money than you could have, resulting in lower profit margins and less time focusing on what truly matters, growing your business? What's going on? It's Mike. In today's video, we're going to unpack the 10 most frequently asked shipping questions we've received from you. At Via Trading, we've shipped tens of thousands of orders to our customers both nationally and internationally since 2002. So let's get right to it. Question number 1 from Maria on Instagram. Do you ship? Yes, 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 yes. We ship merchandise nationally and internationally by the case, pallet, multi-pallet lot, truckload, and container. Question number 2 from Robert on Instagram. Is shipping free? Shipping is not free. However, you're more than welcome to pick merchandise up yourself from a warehouse or organize your own shipping. Question number 3 from Nick on Facebook. How much does shipping cost? Shipping will vary greatly depending on various factors, such as the type of merchandise you're shipping, how it's packaged, meaning is it a case pack, pallet, multi-pallet load, or load, as well as factors such as the distance, weight, dimensions, and whether you're in a commercial or residential address. Question number 4 from Heather on Instagram. How long will it take for me to receive my merchandise? There's a few factors that come into play here, but none more important than distance. Case packs, LTLs, and truckload shipments throughout the continental USA can take anywhere from approximately 1 to 10 business days, while international air shipments can take anywhere from approximately 5 to 15 business days, and container loads anywhere from approximately 30 to 90 business days. Bear in mind that these are only estimates and will vary based on your location. For example, if you're shipping a truckload from LA to San Diego, chances are we can get it delivered to you within 1 to 2 business days. But if you're all the way in Miami, expect it to take closer to 10. Make sure to reach out to your account manager for concrete information regarding shipping, or simply add merchandise to your shopping cart on viatrading.com to obtain an estimated shipping quote. Question number 5 from Jose on Facebook. Do you deliver to my door? Case packs are typically delivered right to your door, just like Amazon packages. However, when shipping pallets, it'll depend on what your door is. For example, if you're at a residential address and have a driveway, the carrier may be able to get it as close as possible to your garage door. However, if you're in an apartment, there's no way to deliver the pallet to your door, and the driver will meet you outside your apartment building and unload the merchandise on the road or sidewalk for you to bring inside. Truckloads, on the other hand, can only be shipped to a commercial address, though some exceptions may apply, so make sure to check with your city first. You'll also need to have either a loading dock or forklift to unload the pallets from the truck, so make sure you have those handy. When it comes to container shipments, those are delivered to the port at the destination. It's then your responsibility to organize shipping from the port to your location. Make sure to stay tuned for an in-depth video on international freight. Question number 6 from Moses on Instagram. Can you ship to my country? Yes, we ship internationally both by air and ocean container and have shipped merchandise to over 129 countries. Unfortunately, Mexico is one country we don't ship to. However, we can put you in touch with carriers that can support you in doing so. Make sure to check out the Mexico shipping video coming soon. Question number 7 from Christy on Instagram. What's an LTL? So you've heard this word thrown around in our emails, social media, and even when speaking directly with your account manager, but you're still not 100% sure you know what it means? LTL stands for less than load and will vary from 1 to 6 pallet shipments. Now, you may be able to condense more than 6 pallets into a 6 pallet LTL shipment to save on freight, so make sure to speak directly with your account manager if an opportunity presents itself. Question number 8 from Victor on Facebook. Do I need a pallet jack or forklift? Well, this all depends on the merchandise you're receiving. See, if you're receiving case packs, you're good. No need for either. With LTL shipments, however, it would be handy to have a pallet jack, but will really depend on where the merchandise gets unloaded. Now, if you have a warehouse, a store, or be moving pallets around after you receive them, you probably want a pallet jack handy. The only time it would be necessary to have a forklift, pallet jack, or both is when you're receiving truckloads or container shipments. For those of you that don't know what a pallet jack or forklift is, this is a pallet jack, this is a forklift. You're welcome. Question number 9 from Jenny on Instagram. Can I arrange my own shipping? 100%. You're more than welcome to pick up your own merchandise from our warehouse or schedule the pickup with your shipping company of choice. Note, however, that self-pickup or shipping may not be available from external facilities like distribution centers, so make sure to inquire with your account manager regarding organizing your own freight for merchandise outside of Via Trading's warehouse. Question 10 from Lewis on Instagram. Will the driver help me unload my merchandise? See, when it comes to case packs, yes, they will deliver case packs directly to your door, just like when you receive an Amazon package. With LTLs, drivers will unload the pallets from their trucks. However, moving it any further is your responsibility and is where having a pallet jack comes in handy. When it comes to truckloads and containers, know that you're fully responsible for unloading the merchandise. Always remember, the driver's job is to get the merchandise from point A to point B. Everything else is up to you. All right, for those of you that stuck around to the end, I hope these answers helped you better understand how shipping works and allow you to make more informed shipping decisions moving forward. If you have any additional questions, please comment below so we can share your answers with our community. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos and ensure you don't miss the ones where we talk about how to price your merchandise for your resale business. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Peace!